Hmm. Hmm.
Hello, hi everyone. Good news for Kim Taeyong, V V beat of BTS. Kim Taeyong has been announced as the new ambassador for Snow Peak April. His featured collection is now officially released. Snow Peak, founded in Japan. Snow Peak is an international outdoor gear and apparel company. Yes, Kim Taeyong V from BTS became the global brand. Yes, Kim Taeyeon V from BTS became the global brand ambassador for the Japanese outdoor and camping brand. Snow Peak on August 21, 2025, a move that generated massive fan excitement and briefly crushed the brand website. Oh, that generated massive fan excitement and briefly crushed the brand's website due to surge in traffic. This partnership is expected.
Hmm.
This partnership is expected to help Snow Peak with its global expansion, leveraging Kim Taeyong's immense international influence to promote the brand's immense international influence to promote the brand's outdoor apparel and gear. So I'm providing the detail of the Kim Taeyong appointment for to Snow Peak Company. Announcement date: the appointment was officially announced on August 21, 2025. I am telling you announcement date. Brand Snow Peak, a Japanese company known for its high quality camping gear and clothing, established in 1958.
Hmm.
I told you detail of the appointment, announcement date. I told you announcement date, brand name, Snow Peak, uh, in which from country, Japanese company known for its high quality camping gear and clothing, established in 1958. Role: Kim Taeyong V served as a global brand ambassador for Snow Peak Apparel. The announcement led to huge fan excitement and a temporary crush of Snow Peak's website. Oh lol. Demonstrating Taeyong's significant global influence. That is a big impact, a beautiful impact, and a wonderful impact on the Japanese company Snow Peak.
Hmm.
Details of the appointment: I told you announcement date, brand, role, impact. Now I am top purpose. This collection is intended to support Snow Peak's global expansion by utilizing purpose. Fourth step: purpose. This collaboration is intended to support Snow Peak's global expansion by Kim Taeyang's and drive interest it is product. New collections from Snow Peak April is expected to be revealed soon, featuring Kim Taeyong at his face. Now I tell you about the now Kim became the ambassador of Snow Peak brand, which is this brand from Japan. Thank you so much. If you I have provided the information and about the Kim ambassadors became the Japanese company. If you like my video, please subscribe and like and more. Thank you so much, everybody.